Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Saturday, October the 18th. And temperatures this morning is 57 degrees and 65% humidity with mostly cloudy skies out there. Hey, the high temperature yesterday, we had a high of 74 degrees and a low of 74 degrees and a low of 40 degrees there. All right. Looking at your hazardous weather outlook, we're looking at wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour, possible on Sunday. And southerly winds will result in much above normal temperatures today. But looking at a strong cold front move through the area Sunday morning, bringing showers, gusty winds, and falling temperatures. So, yeah, it's going to be a very interesting forecast. High pressure will briefly move in on Monday, but another cold front will cross the region on Tuesday. Now, let's take a look at your forecast over the next few days and what you can expect. Today, mostly sunny with a high near 82 degrees. Winds be out of southwest at 6 to 14 miles per hour, and wind gusts as high as 28 miles per hour. Tonight, we're looking at showers and thunderstorms likely mainly before 2 a.m. Otherwise, mostly cloudy with a low around 52 degrees. Winds will be out of south at 9 to 15 miles per hour, and wind gusts as high as 29 miles per hour. Looking at chance of rain is 60%, and new rainfall amounts between a quarter and a half inch possible. Then looking at your Sunday forecast, showers and temperatures rising to 62 degrees by 11 a.m. Then we're going to start seeing the temperatures fall to around 51 during the remainder of the day. Winds be out of the west at 18 miles per hour. Wind gusts as high as 33 miles per hour. Chance of rain is 90%, and new rainfall amounts between a half and 3/4 of an inch possible. So if you got any decorations out there for Halloween, you may want to try to secure them. Sunday night, showers likely, mainly before 8 p.m., mostly cloudy. Then gradually becoming mostly clear with a low around 38 degrees. Winds going to be out of the west at 8 to 14 miles per hour, and wind gusts as high as 32 miles per hour. Chance of rain is 60%, and new rainfall amounts less than a tenth of an inch possible. Then looking at your Monday forecast, sunny with a high of 62 degrees. Winds be out of southwest at 6 to 10 miles per hour. Wind gusts as high as 20 miles per hour during the day on Monday. Monday night, looking at a chance of rain after 2 a.m. Otherwise, partly cloudy with a low around 46 degrees. Chance of rain is 30%. And then looking at your Tuesday forecast of chance of rain before 8 a.m., then mostly sunny throughout the rest of the day with a high of 59 degrees. Looking at a 30% chance of rain, and the winds be out of the west at 15 miles per hour. Tuesday night, partly cloudy with a low around 37 degrees. Moving into Wednesday, looking at sunny skies with a high only near 57 degrees. Winds will continue to be out of the west at 15 miles per hour. And Wednesday night, mostly clear with a low around 34 degrees. Hey, please be sure to share and like the video for this. Help get the weather forecast out to everyone. And if you are watching this for the first time, please be sure to join the channel. You can find us on Facebook or on YouTube. Otherwise, stay safe. Have a good day. I'm Jim Scott, Wayne County, Indiana Skywarn. Thanks for being a part of it this morning, and enjoy that cup of coffee.